Self-service upgrades for Purity FlashArray enhances the stability and security of software lifecycle planning. By design, self-service is a non-disruptive upgrade and a feature of the Evergreen Support subscription. Self-service upgrades, or SSU for short, gives you full control over your fleet's lifecycle management while keeping the option to engage peer support during the upgrade process. In this video, we'll be walking through an entire self-service upgrade, including prerequisites, configuring arrays and clusters for self-service, health checks, and upgrade support. Purity provides software-defined storage that keeps getting better with each version. Purity offers unparalleled data storage, data reduction, 6 nines of availability, always-on encryption, and non-disruptive upgrades. AI-driven array operations ensure 100% availability. You can monitor, analyze, and optimize your storage from a single view, apply the latest patches, and access new features. You'll always stay ahead with Purity upgrades. Pure Storage continuously releases new versions of Purity software. You can choose which upgrade schedule is best suited for your business needs. Feature releases become available every 9 months, and upgrading on the schedule is a great option if your team wants to leverage new features on a continual basis. Long life releases, on the other hand, happen every 36 months or 3 years. This can be a good option for enterprise customers who want more stable environments with industry certifications. Long life release lines only provide bug fixes and security patches for the most recent long life release. So what if you're not sure which versions to add to your upgrade strategy? Self-service upgrades policy-driven recommendations help you to choose, and this ensures a balance between frequent upgrades and a secure, supported storage environment that aligns with your organization's goals. There are 3 lifecycle policies to choose from. Essential provides critical security vulnerability patches, fixes, and end-of-life recommendations. Upgrades are recommended only when necessary to ensure the stability and security of your appliance. Balanced is our default policy, great for maintaining your fleet on enterprise-ready long-life releases that are higher in the release line. This reduces the frequency of your upgrades while maintaining a secure and supported environment. Proactive is the ideal policy to ensure your appliances stay current with the latest enterprise-ready capabilities. The list of recommended versions is determined by the lifecycle policy in combination with the FlashArray model, hardware configuration, and features in use on the selected array. Self-service upgrades will never recommend that you upgrade to a version that is incompatible with your appliance setup, meaning all target versions are safe to use. Different lifecycle policies provide different recommendations. The displayed recommendation versions are the most recommended ones. You can still choose to upgrade to other recommended versions or versions outside of the selected policy. So what do we need to get started running self-service upgrades? To start, we need a Pure One account with admin rights and TOTP-based step-up authentication. A FlashArray running Purity 6.2.10 or higher. For live sites, Phone Home must be enabled using the command line interface. Edge Management and Edge Agent Update should be enabled, and multi-factor authentication enabled with the Purity Upgrade Agent installed on the selected arrays. For the full list of requirements, please see the Self-Service Upgrades Knowledge Base article. Let's walk through these requirements, starting with step-up authentication. This is required for critical actions. Bulk operations benefit from single authentication for multiple arrays. Tokens are valid for 4 hours, requiring re-authentication for prolonged upgrades. If you want more information on configuring step-up authentication in Pure One, scan this QR code to view the article. Here, we will jump into the command line interface and connect to our FlashArray appliances. In this example, we will connect using the Pure user credentials. Phone Home and Edge Management Service will need to be enabled on each array individually. So prepare yourself, this is the most wear and tear your keyboard will see during the self-service upgrade. For each array, you'll use the following commands to enable these services. Pure Array enable Phone Home. Pure Support enable Edge Management. And Pure Support enable Edge Agent Update. The rest of the upgrade is managed in the GUI. Once you have Phone Home, Edge Management, and Edge Agent Update enabled on your appliance, you can install the Purity FlashArray Upgrade Agent. Now begin by navigating to Administration, Edge Service. Then click the Agents tab. Locate the Purity FlashArray Upgrade Agent dashboard card and click Install this agent on the card. The agent can be installed in bulk on any arrays that have Edge enabled. From the pop-up menu, select the FlashArray appliances where you want to install the agent. Review the permissions, and then accept and install the agent. With a few clicks, the whole fleet has its agents, and you're now ready to perform a self-service upgrade. Self-service upgrades allow you to run upgrades on a single appliance, on several appliances at the same time, active cluster pairs, single hop, multi-hop, and any combination of these. In this section, we're going to walk through an abbreviated single version, single appliance upgrade. This process normally takes about an hour to complete. The self-service process consists of the health check, the upgrade download, and installation. Here's a visual overview of the tasks involved in a single hop upgrade. And while the process is fully automated, there are a few steps that require your input. You'll see these in the lightning bolts labeled awaiting action. As a part of the Purity upgrade process, we do a proactive check to make sure that there's no outstanding host side issues that will result in an upgrade problem. Before you upgrade, you'll need to check the following. Are you using Windows in your environment? Check to make sure that you have multipathing enabled. Are you using Oracle ASM? Are you using 8-bit Brocade switches? Do you have ESXi hosts running Emulex LPFC driver version 10.7.110.4? Are you running NPIV in your environment? And are you using AIX? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, please see our Knowledge Portal article, Purity Upgrade, Pre-Upgrade Host Side Issues and Caveats for host-specific instructions. The self-service software lifecycle dashboard allows you to do a health check across any model and any version of FlashArray. First, let's run a health check for a single appliance. If you have a tight maintenance window, estimate the upgrade duration in advance. Choose the target version. With your appliance selected, find and click the Run Health Check button. Alternatively, you can also click the Start a New Health Check to determine the number of hops needed to reach your selected version. A full health check is not required. Select in the drop-down menu the target version you want to run through a health check. The versions that appear in the target versions drop-down menu are constrained by the lifecycle policy you have assigned for that appliance. When you've selected the target version, the upgrade path will automatically appear, indicating whether this will be a single hop or multi-hop upgrade. In this example, we're going to upgrade this appliance in a single hop. Click the button labeled Start Check, and your health check is now in progress. You can run as many health checks as you need. If you encounter a warning during a health check, please see the instructions in the table or consult the knowledge base article for installing a Purity upgrade when there's a warning during the health checks. You may also be required to authenticate. The download now commences and you can monitor its progress. You can also stop downloading the upgrade bundle by clicking cancel at any time. After the Purity upgrade file has finished downloading, please use it to promptly install the newer version of Purity. If no issues were found during the initialization, the upgrade will begin immediately. The Purity upgrade installation process involves several internal system checks. You will see log messages throughout the installation, and each indicates where along the upgrade path the installation is. When the Purity upgrade has finished installing on the secondary controller, the install will pause for your confirmation before proceeding with the primary controller to complete the upgrade. Click on Action Required, then confirm by clicking Continue Upgrade. Or, if you want to cancel the upgrade, click Cancel Upgrade, and this will revert your appliance to the previous version. You can monitor the progress of the upgrade by looking at the progress bar, statistic cards, status column, and appliance overview. The log will also indicate when the installation is complete. Congratulations! You succeeded in installing a newer version of Purity with self-service upgrades. You can now check the upgrade report for more information or run post-upgrade health checks. Other best practices for a successful self-service upgrade can be found in the Self-Service Purity Upgrades with Pure1 Manage FAQ. If you experience issues during the upgrade, Self-Service Upgrades will automatically create a support ticket for you. Your health check reports will provide instructions that you can use to solve the issue in real time, and Pure Support Team will respond within 30 minutes. Self-service upgrades are only going to get better as we continue to innovate in more automation, mobile notifications, and scheduling capability in future updates. Digital Bytes also offers helpful videos on self-service upgrades for active cluster and flash array upgrades. Please reach out to peek@purestorage.com for more information.